अग्राह्य शाश्वतः कृष्णो लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्।
ఓం అగ్రాహ్యాయ నమః. ఓం శాశ్వతాయ నమః. ఓం కృష్ణాయ నమః. ఓం లోహితాక్షాయ నమః. ఓం ప్రతర్దనాయ నమః. ఓం ప్రభూతాయ నమః. ఓం త్రికకుబ్ధామ్నే నమః. ఓం పవిత్రాయ నమః. ఓం మంగళాయ పరస్మై నమః. అగ్రాహ్యః incomprehensible. Shashvatah, the eternal one who exists forever. Krishna, one who is blissful and joyful. Lohitakshaha, one whose eyes are like red lotuses. Pratardanaha, he who created everything takes it into himself. Prabhutaha, one who possesses immense wealth and power. Trikakubdhama, one who has the supreme abode with three divine aspects. Pavitram, one who is free from all impure qualities. Mangalam Param, one who bestows supreme auspiciousness beyond all other auspicious things. Vishnu is the one who cannot be grasped by the senses, the one who exists eternally. He is the embodiment of bliss. He has the eyes like red lotuses. He is the creator of all and eventually draws everything back into himself. He possesses boundless opulence. He has the supreme abode characterized by three divine steps. He is pure, free from all inferior qualities. He is the most auspicious, bestows blessings greater than all that is considered auspicious. In this sloka, the name Lohitakshaha bestows prosperity, radiance, and divine vision. The name Pavitram grants purity of heart and liberation from sins. The name Mangalam Param brings auspicious outcomes in life, success in endeavors, and divine guidance filled with auspiciousness.
These sacred names have the power to remove human imperfections and establish divine consciousness within.
अग्राह्य शाश्वतः कृष्णो लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिकगुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्. Follow us for next slokas. If you like this, please like and share and comment Om Namo Narayanaya.